Good morning, students. Now let us do the activity based on Wishstone network bridge. Already we have seen the balancing condition for Wishstone network, Wishstone bridge. Already we proved the condition R1 upon R2 equals to what? R3 upon R4. Now we have to solve one numerical based on Wishstone network. Let's take one example. Four resistances 5 ohm, 10 ohm, 15 ohm and unknown X ohm are connected in series. Connected in series means what? Every resistor are connected in a series as shown in the diagram. So 5 ohm, after this 10 ohm, 15 ohm and unknown resistance X ohm are connected in series. But the assignment of the resistance, what R1, R2, R3, R4. Don't say like this R1, R2, R3, R4, because the word series is mentioned. That's why we connect all four resistors in series wise. But the assignment of the resistors symbol R1, R2, R3, R4, if it is not mentioned the series, then you connect like this 5, 10, 15, X. But since the word series is mentioned 5, 10, 15, X. Okay. Now since it is mentioned over there, determine the unknown resistance X if the network is what? Balance. Since network is balanced, means what? Wishstone network is balanced. What is the condition for balanced Wishstone network? The condition is what? R1 upon R2 is equals to R3 upon R4. Now we will substitute the value of respect to R1, R2. What is the value of R1, student? 5 ohm. What is the value of R2? 10 ohm. What is the value of R3? X ohm. What is the value of R4? 15 ohm. Now simple mathematics we are going to perform over here. 5 upon 10 multiplied by 15 will give us value of X. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So what is X equals to? 15 upon 2 or 7.5 ohm. Students, there are two activities for you. You have to solve those numerical at home. Find out the answer. Any difficulties, please inform me. 4 resistances 4 ohm, 8 ohm, X ohm, 6 ohm are connected in series so as to form a Wishstone network. Then find the value of X. This is what? R1, R2, R4 and R3. Remember this because it is connected in series. But in the next sum, the series word is not mentioned. Means what? This is R1, R2, this is R3 and this is R4. Remember this. Okay? Hope so you will solve the numerical. Any difficulties, let me know. Thank you very much.